with the Groove tool, you can make cuts to the target planks using other ArchiFrame planks. First, I select the target parts, then select the cutting part using these oversizes. And to learn about plank orientation and the different sides, please check the manual section 7, entitled Individual Planks. Let's do the groove with the current settings. So now I have a big oversize on the right hand side, 20 on the left, and 5 at the top and bottom. Now let's look at another case. Here we ended up having roundings at the corners, and that's because the depth of this groove is more than specified in the settings. The settings value of 160mm comes from typical defaults used in Hundiger CNC machines. If you want to have a sharp corner in this part, you would need to recreate this groove, forcing the groove to the bottom side of the target. Then, now let's make a groove to this last one using an automatic target surface. And you see that we have a sharp corner, and this is because ArchiFrame detects this situation, that the groove is at the end of the plank, and therefore the limitation doesn't apply here. For the other options, please press Alt-Shift-1 to get context-sensitive help.